Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's session we'll discuss about one more tag in HTML just we missed in our previous sessions, that is a field set. Field set tag. So this tag is used to group the form elements, right? So if you want to group, for example, if you consider any profile, a student profile, so that may contains his personal information, academic information, excuse me, and extracurricular activities and the co-curricular activities like that, right? So if you want to group everything, then we are going to use this field set tag, right? See, for example, I have created a page, so which consists of a personal information, first name, second name, gender, some address, and the next one, first year marks, second year marks, third year marks, and the fourth year marks, overall percentage. This is completely academic details. And the next one, hobbies, which is a extracurricular activities, right? So if you group all these things in different ways, then the look and feel will be different. So if you group all these four, that means a name, second name, gender, and address as a personal information, and this marks and percentage as a academic information, and a hobbies as a extracurricular activities, right? So we have to use the field set. Now see, this is the thing we have designed without using the field set. Now I will implement the field set, I will include the field set, right? See, I will go to the source code, so open with notepad, and here you can see first name, second name, gender, address. Up to here we have to go with the field set. So I'll start the field set here. So FIELD field set, and where we have to end at the text area. I'll close the field set, right? So you can observe I have grouped everything, right? So if you refresh, you can observe this is completely grouped with one box. Similarly, again I'll go with a field set, so I'll group the remaining, that means academics, right, up to overall percentage. So here I'll close the field set, right? And now you can observe the one more group has been created. And again I just want to group one more thing, that is here I'll go with the field set, and here I'll end with the field set, right? So it's FIELDSET field set, and now you can see the three groups. And how to represent the name, how to give a name for these particular groups. So for that we are going to use another another tag called legend tag. Okay, so in order to give a name for a group, the tag is legend, right? So this tag is used to give a name for field set, right? So whatever the field set we have created, we can give a name for the field set. So just go with the thing. So here inside the field set, I'll give the name, so legend, and I'll give here personal. See, I'll give here personal information, and I'll close the legend tag, and you can observe a name will be given to this particular, this one. See, you can observe here personal information. So this is the name given for this particular group. So if you give the legend tag, if you use a legend tag, so we can give a name for this particular field set. So you can observe here, so within the border itself we are getting the name, right? And similarly in the given in the beside below thing, again here I just want to give the legend, and here academics, I'll go with the small letters, right? Academic information, I'll go with the legend. So you can see one more group, academic information, and this is a extracurricular activities, and again I'll go with here, see, legend, I'll draw extra curricular activities, right? I'll close the legend, and you can observe the three things, three options, and see here we can use, and remaining any tag, you can use any tag here. See, any tag, right? So any text formatting tags can be included here. So I'll use some h4, so in order to give somewhat increase the font size. See, h4, no, I'll go with the h2. Let us take the h2. I think it would be, so right, x. And also I'll use some bold and italic, so I'll use here also bold and italic, right? And you can observe here, see, this is the thing we can write, right? So whatever the thing, field set is to group the elements, and legend is to give a name for a particular group, and here we can use any text formatting tags to make the content look and feel, right? So this is how we can use the field set. So this is the importance of field set, right? So inside the field set we can use a legend to give the name. So hope you understood this one. So if you are having any doubts regarding this field set tag, feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. Definitely I'll try to clarify all your doubts. And if you really enjoyed my session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.